Hello everyone. Based on what our customers tell us and what we see every day in the shop, I'm going to show you how to fix the 8C error without wasting time or getting confused. When a customer brings in their washing machine showing 8C, the first thing we tell them is your washer is detecting a communication problem with the motor or the speed sensor. Many customers say things like 8C started flashing and it won't spin anymore, or the washer stops in the middle of the cycle, and from that point, we know we need to check the motor, the speed sensor, and the control board. Often, this error appears when the speed sensor isn't detecting the motor's rotation correctly. Some customers tell us, I already checked the belt and everything looks fine, but it still shows 8C. Or, I moved the washer and the error started. In the shop, we always say that a loose or dirty sensor can interrupt communication and make the washer stop as a safety precaution. Samsung recognizes that this is quite common and recommends checking the sensor and connections first before replacing any parts. That's why what we do here is clean the connectors, make sure the sensor is properly seated, and test its continuity. However, some customers come in saying, I already checked everything and it's still the same, which usually indicates the problem may be in the control board or the motor itself. In the shop, we often say, when cleaning and checking the sensors doesn't work, the board or motor is usually the culprit. Samsung's official recommendation is to replace the faulty part because attempting a repair without the proper tools can make the damage worse. We've also seen cases where the 8C error is caused by loose wires, corroded connectors, or even moisture. Some customers tell us a little detergent spilled and then 8C appeared. So in the shop, we always inspect the connectors and wiring for signs of moisture or corrosion because any electrical interruption between the motor and board can trigger this error. Additionally, many customers forget to check if the motor has any mechanical obstruction. They say, the drum wasn't turning properly and 8C appeared. Technicians explain that trapped clothing or small objects can block the motor, causing the sensor to detect a fault and trigger the error. The solution here is to remove any obstruction and make sure the drum spins freely before restarting the washer. Finally, when none of the above solves the problem, the safest option is to take the washer to an authorized service center. They check the motor, sensors, wiring, and control board, replacing whatever is needed. Some customers come back happy saying, now it spins perfectly, and there's no trace of 8C. In the shop, we always explain that even though it may cost a little, this is the safest way to prevent major damage and extend the life of the washing machine.